We have more very bad news, just terrible, so listen up for this live news report. Okay, now to the news. It is raining and pouring and the old man is snoring.
Oh no, that is just terrible. I hope you don't mean me by the old man.
Of course we don't mean you. Whisper whisper, of course we do, old man.
I agree entirely.
Let's get back to business, shall we? How will this affect Wall Street?
How am I meant to know? All I ever say all day is about one for Obama, and yes we can. Now where's my coffee? You to get me a coffee.
Yes sir, right away sir.
Well, that is enough business for the rest of the year. Good night everyone.
Good night, and don't let those pesky little bed bugs bite.
Good night everyone, and pray for the US currency to go up.
Snuggle buckles everyone, and one more thing, yes we can.
Sir, I got you your coffee. Well, nighty night everyone.
Fame of the people dedicate this video to Philip's cousin Alexa.